Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ChatGPT login problems, session and access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with ChatGPT, you're not alone. Let's walk through some steps to fix common session and access errors. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause login issues. Try disconnecting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. If you're using mobile data, ensure it's working properly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This can often resolve unexpected login problems. To do this, go to your browser settings. Look for the Privacy or Security section. Select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to include cookies and cached images/files. After clearing the cache, restart your browser. Now, navigate back to the ChatGPT login page. Ensure you're using the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the reset option. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions. If you're still having trouble, try using a different browser. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can prevent access. Alternatively, test logging in through an incognito or private browsing window. This can help identify if extensions or settings are causing the issue. If access errors persist, try disabling browser extensions. Some extensions may interfere with login processes. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can also lead to compatibility issues. Next, check if there are any service outages. Visit the official ChatGPT status page or relevant social media for updates. If the service is down, you may need to wait for resolution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.